I think it's a pretty much a mainstream kind of a film, and similar kind of characters have gone down well with the audience in the past. It's not as though I'm playing something. It's just my approach to the character and the way the character has been written. But there will be a sense of deja vu when you see this character, that maybe somewhere some actor has played something of this nature before, but not completely the same. So it's not a character that you cannot relate to. So I think the audience will like this character played by me called Maqsood. The biggest challenge would be probably having an actor as good as Nawazuddin in front of me, to do my scenes with and interact with. And touchwood, I would say my experience of being around for such a long time, and the fact that him and me shared a very good rapport, has helped me, hold my own and to perform well and to, justify my character. Well, people who are looking for a good fun time, or an entertainer that has a wholesome drama in it, and it's a mainstream film. It's got action, it's got comedy, it's got drama, it's got love, it's got emotions of all kinds. I think people who want to see something like that, typical Hindi pot boiler, they're going to see this film and they're going to like it. And it's unique in its concept and its presentation.
Freaky Alley crew, they're all freaks, the whole cast, the director, everybody, and that's what made it so fun. Sohail narrated the story to me and I automatically said yes. Loved the role, loved the concept. Freaky, strange, very weird, but fun. And obviously working with Nawazuddin Siddiqui, he's a great performer, and I really didn't think I'd get the chance to collaborate with him on a film because we're two very different actors and actresses, but it worked, and that's why it's a bit of a freaky movie. So I played the role of Megha, who is a sports manager, and it's actually quite true to real life in a sense where I really enjoy sports. I'm a bit of a sports fanatic, but golf was not on my list purely because I'd never played it. It didn't appeal to me. I had a misconception that it was for retired men who went off and played golf on holiday, but Sohail's done a great job of proving that misconception wrong, and it's a beautiful sport. The locations were fabulous where we shot, and you can have so much fun with it. So I did that role and learnt a lot, and did a lot of research beforehand also for my character. I suppose the biggest challenge taking this role, this is my second Bollywood film, and it's just different to anything I've done before. At the minute I'm shooting a really big massive commercial film with fancy costumes and fancy lines, and that's Robot 2, whereas this is a complete contrast to my first Bollywood film, also Singer's Bling. And I wanted to do it because it was more of a performance-based film. It was a different concept, and that was probably the biggest challenge. Upcoming projects. Tomorrow I fly back to Chennai and I'm shooting with Akshay Kumar and Mr. Rajnikant for Robot 2 for Shankar's film. So that's ongoing. That'll be until December, and I start my next Bollywood project in hopefully November, before the end of the year.
बहुत अच्छा फील होता है ऑफ कोर्स, और एट द सेम टाइम नर्वसनेस भी होती है, क्योंकि जब फिल्म की प्रोसेस फिल्म बन रही होती है तो आपके ऊपर बहुत डिपेंड करता है कि कैसे जिस तरीके से आप हैं उसी तरीके से दूसरे एक्टर बिहेव करेंगे। तो जैसे डायरेक्टर्स के ऊपर बहुत डिपेंड करता है। तो हम लोगों ने मिलके एक बहुत अच्छा खूबसूरत माहौल बनाया था और एक ईज़ बनाया था इन्वायरमेंट, जिसकी वजह से सबकी परफॉर्मेंसेस जो हैं आप अगर देखेंगे तो बहुत ईज़ है, स्मूथनेस है, एक इनोसेंसी है। तो लीड एक्टर पे, डायरेक्टर पे और बहुत सारे एक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है। मैं अपनी लाइफ से रिलेट कर सकता हूँ इस कैरेक्टर को, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसे ऑर्डिनरी से इंसान की कहानी है जो जिसके अपने ड्रीम्स हैं, होप्स हैं और एक चीज़ अचीव कर लेता है वो। आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से बच्चों को ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा, क्योंकि बहुत इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है और एक ह्यूमर है, एक इनोसेंट ह्यूमर है इसमें पूरी फिल्म में। तो मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों को बहुत पसंद आएगी ये फिल्म। चैलेंज, चूँकि मैंने रोमांस कभी इतना फुल फ्लेज रोमांस मैंने किसी फिल्म में नहीं किया था और डांस नहीं किया था, तो डांस को लेके काफ़ी मेरे दिमाग में ब्लॉकेज थे। तो थैंक्स टू सोहेल भाई कि उन्होंने ये जो डर था वो भी ख़त्म करवाया और और एट द सेम टाइम रोमांस भी किया मैंने इस फिल्म में। तो ये जो डर थे, 2-3 ब्लॉकेज थे दिमाग में, ख़त्म हो गए। तो अभी मेरा वही है कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि अभी आगे 3-4 साल तक जो ना इसी तरह की फ़िल्में करूँ, रोमांटिक फ़िल्में करूँ। मतलब आई थिंक मैंने अभी तक ऐसा कूल डायरेक्टर नहीं देखा। और दूसरी एक अच्छी बात ये थी, उनके अंदर बहुत ही स्पॉन्टेनियस डायरेक्टर हैं। ह्यूमर जो इसमें अगर बहुत काफ़ी जो ह्यूमर है वो सोहेल भाई खुद का ऐड किया हुआ है, और बहुत ही स्पॉन्टेनियसली ह्यूमर ऐड किया है उन्होंने।
The film Freaky Ali, a lot of freaky incidents, a lot of freaky moments, very funny, light-hearted comedy. My character is a very pompous, very over-the-top prince who thinks no end of himself, and how everything that I say to Nawazuddin Bhai in this film just comes back to me in my face. So it's a lot of funny moments in the film. You know, I'm very blessed because I was offered this role by Sohail Bhai, and you know, Salman Bhai, Sohail Bhai, Arbaz Bhai, they can get anybody in the world to act for them. And he told me, Sohail Bhai told me, I can't think of anyone else other than you to do this character. And he narrated the script to me. There was no challenge because he believed in me so much, I couldn't believe it. So his belief actually was my belief. You know, there's a lot of cinema, and in the genre that we worked on, it's hilarious. You don't need to leave your brains at home to see this movie. You bring your brains and you still enjoy the film. Really light-hearted film.
Well, the film is very, as it's called, Freaky Ali. The soundtrack is totally different because it's the situation which makes people laugh, and the characters are serious. They are not trying to make you laugh. Songs is also real. See, all the track, basically it's only 3 tracks, and one is a progressive love track called Parinda Hai Parinda, where it's like the progress of the character. So that's also doing very good. And the Qawwali which you heard, it's again a mix of Sandal, Puja and Sufism. So it's a nice, all the cultures coming together. So it was nice, great. The Qawwali was very difficult because if you go to see, Qawwali is also happening at the same time, a Sufi singer singing, and there is a bhajan going on, and at the same time the procession is going on, like somebody is playing like a sandal. So 3 different style of music playing in the one mohalla, because since it's a mohalla, so people belonging to Muslim community, people belonging to Hindu community, and people belonging to their culture of road, because when the procession starts, whether it's Dargah, whether it's Ganpati, whether it's Puja, so they play one rhythm which suits all. From this, I like Parinda Hai Parinda.
बंदा परवर तेरा बंदा, आसमान में उड़ता परिंदा, पर फैलाए खुली हवा में, तेरी नवाज़िश पे है जिंदा.
So I think it's that freedom song where, you know, and at the same time the progress of character, at the same time is falling in love also. So a lot of things are happening in that song. So it's very nice. I love the song.
चड्डी 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 चड्डी
कितने की है चड्डी?
मात्र 40 रुपए.
40 रुपए तो बहुत महंगा है.
60 रुपए का क्वार्टर पी के नाली में गिर के अपनी इज्जत कैसे तैसे करवा लोगे? 40 रुपए की चीज जो तुम्हारी इज्जत बचाती है वो तुम्हें महंगी लग रही है?
हाय, मैं हूं नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं सेल्फी टीवी। 8 सितंबर को मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है दुबई में। तो जिस तरीके से आप मुझे प्यार मोहब्बत देते आए हैं, उसी तरीके से आई थिंक आप इस फिल्म को देखने जाएं और आपको बहुत एंटरटेन करेगी, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में आप ही की स्टोरी, एक ऑर्डिनरी से आदमी की स्टोरी है।
ये सिंघानिया के बच्चे तो होंगे नहीं?
तुझे कैसे पता?
इतनी देर से एक बॉल को खड्डे में तो डाल नहीं पा रहा है।
तुम्हें क्या आसान लगता है?
ये तो सीरियस हो गया।
ये है क्लब, ये है बॉल, वो है होल। तूने ये कैसे किया?
पता लगते ही बताता हूँ।
Hi, this is Arbaz Khan and you're watching Selfie TV. I love coming to Dubai and that's why I come over and over again.
Hey guys, I'm Amy Jackson and you're watching me on Selfie TV. I'm really liking this mic. I think the name is very cool, and all love and best wishes to everyone in Dubai.
golf तो दूर तू कंचे खेलने के लायक भी नहीं रहेगा
खमन तो हम पहाड़ का तोड़ दें, फिर तू क्या चीज है बे?
just shut up
Pants down.
Hi, I'm Jas Arora and you're watching Selfie TV. I just want to thank you all for the warmth and the hospitality, and we all hope that you love this film and keep inviting.
Hi, this is Wajid here from Sajid Wajid, and you're watching me on Selfie TV. And message to all my listener, fans, brothers, be true to yourself.